state's leaders as they aim to do things virtually.
Action 7 News anchor Kaylin Norwood is live outside the Capitol. Kaylin, there's already been a little hiccup.
Yeah, you're right about that. There is an hour delay in the Senate today. They were supposed to gavel in at around noon, but instead they gavelled in at closer to 1. This is according to a senator that I spoke to, and she said there were some technical difficulties. But overall, leaders are hopeful that they are still able to get a lot accomplished. A rocky start for the first Senate session of 2021.
For those of us who are concerned that we're going to have an effective legislative session virtual, I think that these challenges are real and concerning.
Newly elected Republican State Senator Crystal Diamond says there were some technical issues, and it only confirms her concerns with this virtual session.
I think that closing the people's house to the people is a disservice and a disjustice really for New Mexicans.
Meanwhile, on the House floor, things went a lot smoother. But as Democratic Representative Doreen Gallegos shared, things are very different this year.
There was partitions between everybody on the House floor. It just had a very different, solemn feeling. And there's a little, it's a little bittersweet, but knowing that we're still here to do the people's work is so important.
And there's a lot on the agenda moving forward.
Probably even more than we would have normally because of the pandemic. We've got to get folks back to work. We've got to start moving the economy.
And that includes passing Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham's $7.3 billion budget proposal. It would be funding for pandemic relief, improving broadband networks, public health, and early childhood programs. Another big priority for Democrats is to legalize recreational marijuana. But Diamond says she's really looking to address economic recovery.
It's hard for us to recover from an injury that we're still bleeding from. So first we need to reopen New Mexico.
Now, I have confirmed with both House Democrats and House Republicans that there will be no floor session until next Monday due to safety concerns. Reporting live at Santa Fe, Kaylin Norwood, KOAT Action 7 News.